Gabrielle, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, perhaps you just came to see the glasses that I'm going to be showing in today's video, but definitely make sure that you take a look around. I've got some wig videos, makeup videos, and also some contact lens try-on videos. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely hit that subscribe button. So as I said, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the two pairs of glasses that I have, so one of which I am already wearing, and then I'm also going to be sharing my 5 top tips for buying glasses online. These 5 tips have been absolutely essential for me as I've been buying my glasses online. So I've been getting my glasses online for the last 3 years, and all 3 times I've been getting them, I've got them from Firmoo.com. I absolutely love this company, really like the quality of their glasses and find that they last a really long time. So I also have a little offer here as well. So if you haven't tried Firmoo before and you would like to, you can try a pair of lenses for just $1. So the first pair of glasses that I wanted to show you are the ones that I am wearing. So these ones are a gold metallic frame. I'm gonna have the product code pop up at the moment because I just don't remember it off the top of my head. So I love these glasses. I actually bought these ones to be like my everyday glasses for me to go to work. So I'll just kind of like turn to the sides, that way you can kind of see how these ones look on me. From different angles, you might be able to see like a blue reflection. That's because on these glasses, because I work every day, I'm at a computer, I decided to get that blue light protector. At first, I didn't really think it was doing too much, to be honest with you, until the other day I had to take off my glasses. I think I had something in my eye, and I was sat at my computer, I took my glasses off, rubbed my eye, looked at my screen, and I was just like amazed at how much brighter it was than if I had these glasses on. So if you too are a person who's like at a computer every day, I 100% recommend getting that blue light filter on your glasses. Okay, so that's the first one. Let me know what you think about these ones actually, because these ones, they're a little bit out there for me. I haven't had round glasses like ever. I'm always like, I always get like the rectangular ones. I'm, you know, never with this kind of like bar at the top. Like I just wouldn't do that. But so these ones are a bit out there. These ones, there's a pair of, I think they're Cutler and something, glasses that I really liked, C and G. But those glasses were like $600, and with my insurance they were like $300, and I was just like, that's really expensive just for a pair of glasses. So I went online on Firmoo and found these, and these ones are like almost exactly the same. But yeah, let me know what you think about these ones. So with the second pair, I'm actually going to be showing you how the glasses come. So they come with a really nice, super cute pink carrying case. It's got a little string on the top. You open that up, and your glasses are inside and just like a little plastic carrier. So you also get a screwdriver as well in the set, so that way you can adjust your glasses if you need to. So here's the glasses case up close, and then the glasses are wrapped up inside. So you do get like a little cloth to clean them with. So this is my second pair. So as you can see, probably the reflection looks different to the other ones. So these ones don't have that blue light filter on. So I might not be wearing these as like my every single day ones, maybe like the odd day a week, but I do definitely prefer the other one just because it does block those kind of computer lenses. But these ones are anti-reflective, so they're good for like driving, just kind of making sure that the glare from the road isn't, you know, like reflecting off the glasses. So you can choose all of those like different lenses and everything that you want when you're picking your glasses. If you haven't bought glasses online, I have another video which kind of shows you step by step how to order from Firmoo.com, so I really recommend you check that one out. It's only like 2 minutes long, so it won't take very long. I'll leave that one down in the description box as well for you to check out. So here's how these glasses look. These ones are also very light. I don't find these things up here very distracting. Okay, so I've switched back to these glasses just so that I can share with you my 5 top tips. I wanted to wear these ones instead just because the lenses are a bit smaller, and I feel like these ones don't pick up the ring light as much as the other ones just because the lenses are a bit bigger on those ones. So hopefully the ring light isn't too distracting for you. Okay, so my first tip is to actually go in store and try on glasses. And I know you're like, what? But I'm buying these glasses online. How is that your first top tip? But actually it really helps. I remember even when I went wedding dress shopping, I had an idea of like what my wedding dress was gonna look like. There were different styles that I'd liked that I'd seen in magazines. And when I went to a store and tried those exact styles on, they just looked absolutely hideous on me and they just weren't right for my body type. So I really recommend doing the exact same thing with glasses. So usually if you're gonna be ordering glasses online, the first thing you have to do is go to your optician so that that way you can actually get your prescription measured and get them to write it all down for you. So if you're going to be there anyway, I do it all the time. I'll take pictures and everything. I will try on absolutely everything. The ones with like the bars at the top, little round ones, like all kinds of different styles, so that way I can see what I like and what I dislike. As I said earlier, I actually went to the opticians and tried on a pair of glasses that were just like these, but they were $600, and I was like, I'm not paying that. So that's why I ended up getting these ones. My second top tip though is also to use the online photo uploader. So usually, at least with Firmoo, when you're buying your glasses, you can upload your own picture and then you can pop on your glasses. So I did that with this pair. The only thing that you have to watch out for with that is that the sizes might not be exactly accurate, because obviously it doesn't know how big your selfie is going to be, but it will kind of give you an indication of how those glasses are going to look on you. So if you can't go in store, then at least do that. My third tip, and this one is very important, is to check the sizes of your glasses. So when you're buying glasses, they will have the frame size, the length from here all the way down here, all of those different sizes, and it's really important to know them so that way you can know how those glasses are going to look on your face. A lot of glasses will actually list the size that they are on the very inside of the glasses, so if you're in store picking glasses, you can definitely take a look and see what that size is, and then you can go ahead and take a look on Firmoo and try and find something similar. My fourth top tip is to make sure you check your prescription before you leave the opticians, and make sure you understand everything that they've written down and you've got all of the information that you need. So when they write it down, they should be giving you the OD number. They'll have the sphere, the cylinder, the axis. So they have OD and OS. One is your left eye, one is your right eye. Then they also need to give you your PD, which is your pupillary distance. And they can either give you that as one number or they can give you that as two. You can upload both of those to Firmoo. If you're feeling a little bit nervous uploading this information to Firmoo because you're not too sure that the information that you're uploading is accurate, you can actually just upload a picture of your prescription rather than typing in all of the numbers and then being like, oh my god, did I get it right? So my last top tip today is to make sure you really take advantage of the different lens types that they have. So as I said before, the pink glasses that I have are anti-reflective, and then these ones do have that blue light filter on them. Those really do make a difference, and if you can afford it, then I would definitely say upgrade your lenses to get the blue light one if you're at a desk every day, or just kind of see what some of the other options they have. If you, for example, have quite a high prescription, your lenses are going to be quite thick, then do just invest in getting them thinner so that way your glasses are a bit lighter. After all, you have to wear these things every day and you want them to be comfortable. So yeah, that's pretty much everything on my Firmoo glasses and my tips for ordering online. As I already mentioned, I do have that video which shows you step by step how to order your glasses, so definitely make sure you go and check that one out next. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, slightly different to a usual wig review. I will of course be back very soon with another video. Bye guys!